Hi everybody, it's Mr. Liu. This is page 31. Practice 3, kilograms and grams. Read the scale, write the mass. So let's read and let's figure out which is which. So if we look at this right here, number 1, we know that it can't be 0 because it weighs something. So if it can't be 0, if that's 1 kilogram, that means that's going to be 2 kilograms. So over here we have 2 kilograms. Number 2, let's look at the fish. So we have to figure out what each one of these lines represent. We know that this line right here represents, I'm going to draw it right here. This line right here, that represents 250, that represents 500, and that represents 750 grams. And this one represents 1 kilogram, or again, we can also write that's also 1,000 grams. So, looking at that, these are probably hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, and that would be 900. So that's 900 grams. Okay, let's look at number 3. So that's 0. That's 1 kilogram, or 1,000 grams. That's 2 kilograms, or 2,000 grams. 3 kilograms, 4 kilograms. So right now we know that it's 2 and something else. 2 and a little more. So we know it's at least 2 kilograms. And now we have to figure out what each one of these lines represent. And if I count them, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I had 10 lines that go in between. That means, well, I'm counting by hundreds. So that's 100 grams, 200 grams, 300, 400, 500. So that means 2 kilograms, 500 grams. Number 4. Oh, this is the same example as the one above. We know it's 3 and a little more, so we know it's 3 kilograms. And like before, we know that each one line is 100 grams. So it's 3 kilograms, 100 grams. Okay, number 5. So if we look at this, this is 1 kilogram. So again, that means each line, if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we know that because there's 10 slots, we know that it represents 100 grams each. So that'd be 100 grams, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. So we know that is 900 grams. And then the last one, flour. Well, we know it's more than 1, more than 2 kilograms, more than 3, more than 4, so it's 4 and a little bit more. 4 kilograms, and again, each line represents 100, so it's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. 700 grams. Let's go to page 32. So complete. Now this is just like the kilometers or kilometers from above, but right now we have grams. So again, we're going to split them up. 8 kilograms, 689 grams from 8 kilograms, 689 grams. We know that 8 kilograms equals 8,000 grams. So when we add that together, we have 8,000 grams plus the 689 grams. And that's going to give us 8,689 grams. Okay? So I'm going to skip number 8. You guys can do number 8 on your own. And I'm going to do number 9 now. So that's 4 kilograms, 740 grams. And again, we're going to split them up. And we know that 4 kilograms equals 4,000 grams. So let's write that in. 4,000 grams plus the 740 grams, and that equals 4,740 grams. Same thing over here. Let's split them up. So we know again 5 kilograms, that's going to give us 5,000 grams. Our 123 grams is over here, so let's write 123. We add those two together, we get 5,123 grams. Okay, I think you guys can do 11 and 12 on your own, And when you finish that, you would have finished page 32.